everyone, welcome to another studio vlog. I don't know exactly how today will look like because I know that I have quite a few different bits and bobs to do, but I haven't made a to-do list yet, which I definitely should, because if I have more than 4 things on my plate, it always makes me feel a little bit better if I've written it all out, so I know what the exact plan for the day is. And that's basically why I should better start with this first. I could have combined these two into one point because they are obviously happening at the same time. But if there is a possibility for me to take 2 boxes rather than 1 box, I'll definitely take it. Believe it or not, but I'm almost done with the plant guide. Well, at least with the drawing part. I still have to scan them and edit them and then make the guide itself, so I'm nowhere near finished, but this really feels like a little milestone and I'm pretty happy with how the plants turned out, so this is definitely a good thing. And the only one which is left to draw right now is this one's Terra here. And that's what I'm gonna do now. And the last illustration is done. Now I just have to scan them and then edit them. But that's probably something for tomorrow, because we already have 6:30 right now, which is probably a good time to finish the day. And in case you're interested, this is the scanner I have. And I got this one because we had Epson scanners in university. And I was always really happy with the quality they produce, especially for illustrations. So I have this one for 4 years right now. And it's still going strong and I'm very happy with the quality. So what else can I tell you? This is how the scanning program looks like. So as you can see, it has various different settings you can choose from, and I think that's also great. It's been a little while since I last talked to you, and that's basically because I spent the entirety of the last couple of weeks illustrating and editing the last couple of cards for the new collection. And I got a pretty good amount done. I will probably show you some of the illustrations later, but for now I want to make a test print of the plant guide because I would like to offer it in different sizes. Definitely in A2 and A3, maybe also in A1, we will see. But for now I want to make a test print of the sizes A2 and A3 to see if there are any flaws that need to be fixed and if the quality is alright. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do now. And before I forget it, because I always do, Happy New Year and cheers to the 20s. And because I only have an A4 printer, I had to place the print on several different pages to put them together afterwards. And these, for example, are the 2 pages for the A3 print, and these are the 4 pages for the A2 print, because you can fit 4 A4 sizes into 1 A2 print. I don't know if what I'm saying makes sense to you right now, but you will see in a minute when I've printed it and put it together. Also, still keeping up with my New Year's resolution, which is pretty basic. It's just to always have a big glass of water on my table to remind me of drinking, because that's definitely something I could improve with in the next year. So now you can see what I meant when I said I would print them on several different papers and then put them together. So this one is the A2 print, A3 and A4, which will not actually be printed, but I just wanted to see everything on one page. And here you can see why it's always a good idea to print it out the actual size you want it, because this little speck here, I maybe wouldn't have noticed it if I had printed it out only in A4.